All right, I'm here to show you how you're going to enter your parameters on your robot. Okay, how you're going to enter the parameters on your robot. Okay, now if you have from $500 to $1,000, okay, and you want the robot to be picking trade for you, remember what we are careful with is our margin level. You know what is called margin. All right, if your margin level is above your equity, it's going to blow your account. All right, so because once you start picking trade, and there's a spike, all right, it's going to there's going to be a pullback. And if you don't have enough margin level, all right, you're going to blow up your account. All right, so that's what we are careful of. So that's why we say from $500 to $1,000, so that the robot opens trade, lot of trade, and our advice is to use the smallest lot size. Okay, if you want the robot to be opening what lot of trade for you, all right, use the smallest lot size. Okay, all right, so look at the setup here. You can either, on the other type, you can either enter for a buy if you are buying, or you enter for a sell if you want to sell. Or if you don't know the trend of the market, you can either go for both buy and sell, so that the robot is going to figure out the trend for you. All right, it's going to be the one to figure out the trend for you. All right, but if you know the trend, you just enter for sell. All right, but if once you enter for sell and it goes against your trend, it's going to hit you out from the market, because you put your magic SL level. That's why you're going to put your magic SL level. All right, and also put your magic TP level, so that once you sell to your $10, if you're taking $10 from the market, you want to take $20, you're looking for $50 from the market. Once it hits that $50, okay, it's going to knock you off from the market. All right, so that's how it works. Okay, so now if you want the market to also be picking a lot of trade for you, you go with the 1 minute time frame or 5 minutes time frame. If you don't want the market to be picking trade for you, all right, you have to go with the 30 minutes time frame, 1 or 4 hours time frame. You don't want the market to be picking trade for you. All right, so now let's leave the magic SL first, because it's something I'm going to show you practically. Let's go to our close by balance profit. All right, close by balance profit. Okay, although this setup that is there is for what, the scalping robot, scalping, when you want the robot to be picking trade for you and be taking profit for you at every 1000 pips. Okay, if you want to take profit at the end of every $100 or $200 target, okay, $200 target, you don't want the robot to be slashing it for you. All right, that's when you enter this other one. All right, then you have to remove that take profit in pips. You have to remove it. All right, you have all this thing, you have to check it on your demo account, check how it works. All right, so you remove the take profit in pips, so that at once the robot trade and pick trade, all right, once you get to your $100, it's going to what, it's going to take profit for you. But $100 is far. All right, you can change it to what, either $10 or $5. All right, as the case may be. This one is for the one of $200. Okay, $200. Okay, let's go to another one. This other one you're seeing is for $20. See, I require balance ratio of $20. Just change it to $20. At every $20, the robot will take profit. That means you have to remove the take profit in pips. You don't want it to be slashing it, all right, to be slashing the profit I'm giving to you. All right, you know what I mean by scalping. All right, so look at for $50. All right, so this is for $10. Okay. All right, so me I advise you go for either 10 or $5 if you want the robot to be slashing it for you. All right, you go for $10. All right, go with the $10 or $5 or $3, as the case may be. Once you have up to $500 to trade with, or $1,000 is what I'm talking about. Okay, look at it. Robot will always give you profit at every $10 or $5 or $15 or $20 or $30, $40 or $50. All right, it's going to give you profit after it hits any of this target, according to what you put on your parameters, require balance ratio to close. All right, so until you hit your magic TP for either buy or sell. All right, once you hit your magic TP, it will then stop trading. All right, it will then stop trading. All right, automatically it will stop trading. Okay, so then if you don't have up to $500 or $1,000, that's when you go for 30 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. Please take note, 30 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. All right, by so doing, okay, the robots will not be opening position for you. All right, even if you're using 1 minute time frame to sell with 1 minute time frame. Okay, if you use 1 minute time frame, you want to sell even with 1 minute time frame. All right, and you off this number of trade per signal, you put zero there. All right, it will only wait for you until you click the two positions you want to take or one position. All right, it will not pick any position until the end of the trade. It won't pick any other position until you close the trade. Do you understand? The number of trade per signal. All right, once you make it zero, what I'm saying is showing you there. Once you make this number of trade per signal zero, it's not going to pick any other position again until, all right, you be the one to enter. Even at first, when you're starting the trade, you be the one to enter. If it's two position on the sell, you enter 1 2. If it's a buy position, you enter 1 2. On the buy, you can see the buy and sell button on the robots. All right, if you don't have enough equity, all right, so although you can use any time frame, but I prefer use your 30 minutes and 1 hour time frame, so that at least you know what you're doing. It's going to show you the starting of the trade. All right, or the where the journey began. I will show you what I mean by that, because you're going to see a pin bar that will show you that this trade is starting from so points. All right, so I suggest you use 30 minutes time from or 1 hour time. That's what I've been using. So I just click buy or sell. The robot will just start selling and follow my parameters. Once it hits my $10 to close up, I will not do any other thing again. All right, so that's how it works. Then let me show you practically how it works. Okay, so I'm going to go to my chart. I'm going to focus now on the $100 capital or equity first of all, using the 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's switch to our screen. Okay, this is phone. Okay, but the same thing you're going to see on your laptop. The same thing you're going to see on your laptop. I'm going to use laptop to show you. Yeah, the same thing. All right. Okay, if you want to sell, okay, you want to sell, you have to locate a support zone. This place now is a good support zone. What you're seeing is a good support zone because of what you're seeing here. All right, if I switch to my trade, for instance here, I switch to this is demo account, please. All right, this one is demo account. Okay, so I'm using to show you guys something. Okay, all right, so this the robot trading. Now this is robot trading. Look at how it picks the positions. All right, uh look at how it has picked position, or it has picked how many position: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. If you shoot up now, you don't have enough equity. All right, you're going to be in loss of about 20 $30. So that's why you have to have enough equity up to like 500 or $1,000. That's what I mean. So that's why I said, if you don't have enough, all right, you have to off that. You have to off this number of trade per signal. So you be the one to pick the trade. If you pick two position, it will sell with two position to the end. All right, so that it's not going to be opening position for you, and at the end you end up losing money if you don't have enough equity to withstand the market. Okay, now see, now once you enter the trade, make for instance here, look at this point, look at where I took the trade. Is at 9628. Here on the screen you are seeing 9628. Magic stop loss for buy and sell is what? 9628. Magic take profit for sell is going to be 9266. Magic take profit for buy is going to be 9914 up. Okay, let me use my arrow, sorry, so that you understand. This is my arrow. All right, 9914 is for what? My magic take profits for, because this is the end of the trade. All right, in case even if it sells to this place, if it jack up and hit this my SL level, my magic stop loss, all right, for both buy and sell, maybe he jack up, it will stop selling, and from here it will start buying. If he hits on this line, all right, and goes down, all right, to start selling. If he hits this line and goes up, it will start buying. Are you seeing it? So the robot is going to be the one to figure out the trend for you. All right, but you're going to lose small money, maybe some like $1, like some cents. Okay, all right, because you're using 0.2. That's why I say you use 0.2. So at any position it goes, all right, you're going to be in profit. Either it goes there. When I enter this thing here, it hits and came down, start selling. All right, I seen it. It hits down, it hit this line and came down and start selling, because I used this. I started it from this point. I seen it. So I started from this point. So all right, so but you now that you don't have up to $100, all right, and you are using 1 hour time frame, I seen it. All you need to do is to just give a step backward a bit. Maybe you can start it from somewhere here. You can either come down a bit and start it from somewhere here. All right, so that once it goes up and hits that line, it's going to stop the trade. That means the trade is going to stop once it hits your magic stop loss. Do you understand? It's going to stop. But if it goes your direction, maybe you want to sell. If it goes for sell, you're putting buy and sell. If you choose buy and sell and it goes for sell, all right, you're going to be in profit for a sell. All right, so we're expecting this market to sell to this point. It's going to take like 2-3 days. Are you seeing it? To sell from here to this point. Your own is to watch whether the market will sell or it will buy. So, do you understand? The robot, the best is going to be the one to choose. All right, it's going to be the one to choose. All right, so remember, if you make the number of trade per signal 0, all right, it's not going to enter automatically for you, because what, you've made your trade per signal to be 0. It's not going to pick trade automatically for you. So once you see it, once you hit this TP, your SL level and closes, you're going to start again. You're going to enter again. See that you enter for buy or enter for sell. You really want to enter because you don't have enough equity, all right, to carry the trade. All right, so you it can sell down to this point. Are you seeing it? So you be the one to enter the trade, either enter for sell or enter for buy. Once you hit this position, it's going to stop by itself. All right, but if you enter for buy and it hits this position, it's going to stop. So it's either it goes like this or it goes like this. All right, but it's not going to be automatic because you've made the number of trade per signal zero. All right, but if you're making it automatic, it's going to be picking lot of trade for you, and you don't have enough equity to do that. Do you understand? So you go with, always go with uh making the number of trade per signal zero, so that you be the one to enter the trade. If it's two position, enter two position, and make sure you go with 0.2. So now I'm expecting this market to sell from here to this place. All right, I'm expecting this market to sell from here to this place. Robot is going to, once it sell and hit this position, all right, okay, let me just move from here to, this is the current market. So once it sell from here to this place here, hit here, it's going to take the profit, stop, it's going to stop. It might take like 2 days or 3 days. This thing has started almost 5 days ago, so it might take like almost 4 days for you to sell and hit this position on your laptop. All right, port out your take profit, port out your take profit for both buy and sell. So if you're selling, all right, you put your magic take profit is going to be 9914. For instance, your magic take profit for sell is going to be 9291, for buy is going to be 9914. Then your SL level, which is your magic stop loss for both buy and sell, is going to be what? 9574. It's going to be the same, so that if it's going here, it's not going to buy. If it's going here, it's not going to sell. So it's either it sell or it buys. So that is it. It's very simple. So check it out on your demo account, test it on your demo account, all right, and do the same thing I did with this setup. If you don't have enough equity, use this last setup, all right, either for 30 minutes or on 1 hour. All right, you can choose your, on your required balance ratio to close, you can choose either 10 pips. If you want 20 pips, you want it to sell and hit you off after it has given you $20 or $50 or $10, the case may be. All right, know that the market takes time. Okay, so you have to be patient for you to sell and hit that particular position. All right, you have already put on your parameters. Another thing again is, if you want everyday profit, all right, you know that you're going to pick something small. All right, because if you use the length, this distance I use here, all right, it's going to take about almost 3 days to get to this place. All right, and more money for you. Okay, so it depends on what you want. So it's either he buys or he sells. So remember, uh, your magic TP level for buy is going to be up here, 9914. Your magic TP for sell is going to be down here because it's going to sell 9291. All right, so your magic stop loss for both buy and sell is going to be 9574. Both of them is going to be the same figure. All right, here, remember. All right, so you can see I'm on profit on my demo account that I showed you. All right, it's speaking through because I have enough dollars here on my demo. Are you seeing it? I have enough dollars on my demo. All right, so I allow it to pick trade for me. That's how it will be picking trade for me until it hits my $100. Once it hits here, hit this point here, all right, it's going to stop automatically for me. All right, so that is it. So magic take profit for sell, magic take profit for buy, uh, magic stop loss for both buy and sell. All right, using this, all right, if you don't want the robot to be open positions for you, so that you see you don't have enough equity, abeg, number of trade per signal should be 0. Then you click either sell or buy. It's very simple. Okay, all right, so that is it. You can see the setup on the screen. Okay, the laptop screen. All right, this is for laptop. Okay, this is for laptop. This is the setup. All right, I'm using for the laptop. Okay, so you can see the robot is trading. I'm currently trading a volatility 100 index. All right, volatility 100 index. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Are you seeing it? So the thing just, I think, is close to my TP. It's very, very close to my TP. Let me zoom out so that you see it very well. Look at it. My TP is somewhere here. I think here, somewhere here. So once it hits my TP here, it will then stop automatically. Once it hit this place, all right, it will stop automatically. Okay, all right. So the magic SL level for your buy will be 5078, and the magic SL level for your sell will also be 507. You can see the market is now trending up, so I'm still on profit. It's now going up after hitting my support zone. Okay, it's now moving up. Immediately it reaches every $5. All right, it should be giving me profit at every $5. Okay, that's how that is what I entered in the parameters on my reward ratio. All right, reward ratio to close. All right, so every $5, okay, it will, at every $5, it will give me profit. At every $5 it will give me profit. Okay, at every $5 it will give me profit until it hits my support zone. All right, meanwhile, try to watch the next video, because I'm going to be giving out this setup free of charge. It was a gift. All right, I'm supposed to give to my followers, all right, on my birthday. Okay, but I was just too busy. All right, I couldn't do a video for that. Okay, all right, so the next video is going to be awesome. Okay, I'm going to be giving out this indicator free of charge. This is my recent indicator. Okay, this is my newly created indicator. All right, I'm going to be giving it out free of charge to you guys. Okay, so try and ensure that you watch the next video. I'm going to show practically how you're going to install this indicator on your laptop. All right, how you're going to install it step by step on your laptop. All right, and I'm also going to be releasing the setup to you guys. Okay, all right, so ensure you watch the next video. All right, for the setup, you can see I'm on $4. All right, the market is going up. You see, after hitting my take profit, because I went immediately to change the magic SL level. All right, to change my magic SL level, all right, to the new current level. All right, so now the market is now trending up, and you can see once it hit my $5, once it hit $5, it will give me profit. Okay, it will give me profit. All right, once the profit gets to $5, it will cut it off and give it to me. Okay, and open a new trade immediately, open a new candle immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video if you want to have more info and tips that will place you ahead of others. Thanks and God bless.